This is the picture and sound of transformation, of food becoming energy. We tend to think of our skin as a separate entity, a canvas we paint on from the outside with serums and creams. But what if we've been thinking about nourishment backwards? What if the most powerful act of skincare isn't an application, but an invitation? Today, we're moving beyond eat avocados for glowing skin because that's surface-level stuff. We're going to talk about a deeper, more fundamental exchange. The story of how certain compounds in food don't just feed your skin, but become the very instruction manual and currency for its cellular life. This is about skincare not as decoration, but as metabolic support. The common narrative of superfoods for skin is one of direct deposit. Eat the berry, get the glow. It's transactional. This overlooks a profound biological reality. Your skin cells are metabolically voracious. They're constantly turning over, repairing UV damage, fighting pathogens, and maintaining a barrier. This requires not just raw materials, but very specific cofactors and signaling molecules. This brings us to our first, rarely discussed but documented insight. Skin has a unique and often deficient metabolic microbiome. A compelling 2020 review in Nutrition Reviews highlighted that the outermost layers of your skin, the stratum corneum, host enzymes whose activity is directly dependent on micronutrients we ingest. For example, the process of forming ceramides, your skin's essential mortar, relies on specific amino acids and fatty acids. But the real story isn't the brick and mortar, it's the delivery truck. Certain food-derived compounds are epicutaneous precursors. They're shipped via your bloodstream to the skin, where local enzymes convert them into the active compounds the skin desperately needs. The classic, underappreciated example here isn't the trendy berry, it's linoleic acid, an essential omega-6 fat found abundantly in seeds, nuts, and certain oils. When deficient, the skin does a startling thing. It synthesizes an alternative inferior lipid called oleic acid. This substitution, documented in the Journal of Lipid Research, results in a leakier, more porous barrier. The skin, in essence, survives with a faulty part because it lacks the correct blueprint from your diet. The bigger pattern here is biological substitution. Your body doesn't stop. It uses what's available, even if it's suboptimal. Superfoods aren't just food, they're the correct blueprints. Let's talk about antioxidants. It's a tiring and tired term. We think of them as little Pac-Man ghosts eating up free radicals. But this metaphor is far too simple and even almost childish. It misses the strategic intelligence of these compounds. Therefore, enter the Flavonoid Network. This is our second rarely discussed concept. Flavonoids, which are found in everything from green tea and dark cocoa to parsley and berries, do not act as lonely soldiers. Research from nutritional biochemistry shows they function as a nutrient signaling network. They don't just neutralize a reactive molecule and call it a day. They upregulate your skin's own native antioxidant systems, like glutathione and superoxide dismutase. They're like trainers, signaling your skin's internal defense teams to become stronger and more efficient. They modulate inflammatory pathways, not by bluntly blocking them, but by gently tuning the volume down on pro-inflammatory signals like NF-κB. They improve microcirculation, ensuring those nutrient-rich delivery trucks we talked about actually reach their destination. This is the opposite of a surface application. A topical vitamin C serum works in a specific, localized way. But a diet rich in diverse flavonoids is like upgrading the entire operating system of your skin's defense and repair units. The bigger pattern is systems hacking from within. You're not applying a patch, you're updating the software. Now let's connect to the most powerful superfood processor you own, your gut microbiome. We know about probiotics for gut health, but the link to skin is far more direct and chemical than good digestion equals good skin. Your gut microbes are master chemists. They take the fibrous parts of plants known as prebiotics and ferment them into postbiotic metabolites. These are the true superfood power players for your skin. The superstar here is butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid. Here's another documented mechanism. Butyrate is produced when you feed your gut bacteria fibers from onions, garlic, asparagus, and whole grains. It has a systemic effect. Studies from resources like Nature Communications show butyrate. strengthens the gut barrier, preventing leaky gut, which directly reduces systemic inflammation that can flare the skin. Butyrate also acts as an HDAC inhibitor. This complex term means it helps unlock your DNA, allowing for the expression of genes that promote controlled, healthy cellular function and repair. It's sending epigenetic signals from your gut to every cell, including your skin cells. Think about that. That humble leek or even oat, through the alchemy of your gut flora, produces a compound that can influence how your skin cells read their own genetic instructions. This is not nutrition, it's information science. You are programming your skin's resilience with every fiber-rich meal. Now that we've covered the what, let's talk about the when. This is the frontier of chrono-nutrition. Your skin's metabolic activity isn't constant. It follows a circadian rhythm. DNA repair, cellular renewal, and barrier recovery all reach their peak at night. How you time your nutrient intake can act as a signal, syncing your skin's internal clock for optimal repair. The insight here is about strategic fueling, not just constant eating. A 2019 study in Cell illustrated how time-restricted feeding improved metabolic health and reduced inflammation in mice. The human translation for skin is still emerging. Consider this practical application. Your skin needs amino acids like proline and glycine and zinc to produce collagen during its nocturnal repair cycle. A dinner rich in these nocturnal building blocks, think a collagen-rich bone broth, a portion of chicken or lentils, alongside pumpkin seeds for zinc, isn't just dinner. It's providing the raw materials on the factory floor just as the night shift is clocking in. Conversely, a large, sugary, or highly processed meal late at night can spike blood sugar and create metabolic noise right when your skin is trying to execute its quiet, reparative work. You're effectively holding a loud concert outside the repair workshop. The bigger pattern is biological timing. Superfood power is amplified when it arrives in sync with your skin's natural schedule. So, how do we synthesize this? Not with a checklist, but with a shift in perspective. Your internal skincare routine has 3 essential steps, far more important than any cleanser, toner, moisturizer sequence. Step number 1, feed the factory, and that is the gut. Prioritize diverse, fibrous plants. Think of each vegetable not for its vitamin C, but for the unique flavonoids and prebiotic fibers it will feed to your microbial chemists. Step number 2, supply the blueprints, which is the bloodstream. Ensure a consistent supply of essential fatty acid precursors like linoleic acid from seeds, alpha-linolenic acid from walnuts, and amino acids. These are the non-negotiable building blocks that your skin cannot create from scratch. Step number 3, respect the clock, aka the rhythm. Front-load your day with nutrients and make your evening meal a targeted delivery of repair-specific materials. Create a clean, fasted window overnight to allow cellular cleanup, or rather allow autophagy to proceed without interruption. This approach transforms skincare from a passive, consumerist act into an active, biological partnership. You are no longer just buying hope in a bottle. You are conducting the symphony of your own cellular processes. The most powerful superfood product was never in a store. It's the intelligence of your own body, waiting for the right signals. The real power isn't in the exotic berry flown in from some far-off country. It's in the consistent, humble, daily act of providing your skin's cells with the precise currency they were evolved to spend. So tomorrow, when you think about your skincare routine, pause. Before you open a jar, think about what you can open first, your awareness to the profound, internal nourishment already within your reach. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.